Welcome back to WordPress. So today we have already uploaded our new theme and we're going to learn how to use the theme. Each theme is going to work a little bit differently, and a lot of themes are going to come with actual instructions. So we're going to take a look at our instructions and see what we can find out. So your instructions are going to be somewhere within your file. So in this case, I'm just going to go back here a step. So this is our themes template or folder, and if I open that up, inside here is going to be a readme text. This readme text, which I already have open, we'll just click on it again, is going to have some information, and inside this information you can see right here it says go to this URL and it has theme instructions. So if I was to go in and paste that, we come in here and here are the theme instructions set up for photograph. It tells you how to upload things that you're going to need. And right here we have importing the demo content. The demo content is great because it's going to fill in a lot of fields and get things set up. So all you have to do is take out their content and put your images back in. So it's going to make more sense for the beginning novice to do this because it's going to help you understand what you're changing and where it goes. Now we have something in here. We need to get two things. One is Jetpack by WordPress and the other is Contact Form 7. Both of these I use in all my sites, so something I'm very, very familiar with. So what we're going to do is go back to our page. We are going to go down here to plugins and put add new. Now these are going to be easy plugins to find because they're very popular. So we will come in here and put Jetpack and it should pop right up. So here is Jetpack for WordPress install. And these are just that easy to install usually. One thing you'll notice, you'll get a lot of updates with WordPress. Don't be surprised if every couple weeks there's updates or things that you need to update. So we're going to go ahead and activate that as well. So it's going to be running because we're going to need it to be running to get specific functions out of our word set. So here we can see we've got Jetpack installed. So we're going to plugins, add new. And we're going to go for Contact Form 7. And here it is, Contact Form 7. And this is going to be, it's what it simply says, it's your contact form. So it looks like there's a Contact Form 7 with CAPTCHA as well. But we're just going to do the basic one for now. You can see there's 5 million people using it. So whenever you get something with that many active installations, you know it's popular and works well. If you had something with 10, maybe it's not the best thing to be installing. Alright, we will activate that. And cool, we are good to go. So I've got both of those running. There's these two anti-spam. It's actually a good one. We could turn this one on and activate that, just so we don't get any spam. And Hello Dolly I'm not going to do right now, but those come when you download WordPress. Go back here and we'll see that right here we have download one-click demo. So I've already downloaded this. I just clicked on it, automatically downloaded. And then it says go to the dashboard, into appearance, and import demo data. So dashboard. So we're going to go down here to plugins and put add new plugin. We need to install this, so we're going to hit upload plugin. We're going to choose that file. We want this photograph demo importer, zip, not the template. We will choose and install now. Right, plugin was installed. So once that we have imported into the plugin, we're going to go ahead and activate that. Alright, so it's been activated. We're going to go up here to the dashboard. I'm just doing this to clean it out so you can see, and then it says go to appearance, and it says down here import demo data. So we're going to go ahead and click that import demo data. And it's giving us this information, blah, 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 blah. And then we're just going to go ahead and click import demo data. And we'll give this a second to run. And after we've done this, we're actually going to go back into this plugin and then unactivate it and delete it. It's a weird process. Not all these work exactly the same. Some are a little bit more streamlined, but you just kind of have to read the process and figure out how each one of these goes. The cool thing is, once you get it, it's easy. It fills in and populates all these fields, and it just makes life a lot easier to design this because we have something there to go off as a reference. All right, cool. That seems to have worked. So we are going to go back to plugins and installed plugins, and we will go to this and deactivate it. Then we're going to delete it. Hit OK. And if we come up here to Learn WordPress and Visit Site, we should see, voila, just like that, we have our WordPress page set up just like it is, with everything set up, ready to go. A whole bunch of demo data that we can use, and all we're going to have to do is go in here and replace this information with our information. So all that coding and having to set up blocks and get this exactly how you wanted is going to be a whole lot easier because we're going to have pages already set up. So our contact page is already going to be set up. We just have to kind of go in here and import an image that looks good, because this is hard to read, and fill in our information. So that's how to use a plugin and import demo data. So hopefully this has been helpful. Any comments or questions, you can leave those below, and don't forget to subscribe.